In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace the sky in Photoshop 2023 fast and easy. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with photo editing, this guide will help you navigate seamlessly through the process, enhancing your photographic projects with a dynamic sky change. Let's jump right in. First, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Ensure you're using the latest version for the best features and performance. Once Photoshop is fully loaded, you'll want to go ahead and add your image, the one where you want to replace the sky. This step is simple. Just head over to File in the top menu, click Open, and select the photo from your files. Your image will appear in the main workspace, ready for editing. Next, it's time to select the sky. There are different methods to do this depending on your image and personal preference. You might opt for the Quick Selection tool, which allows you to paint a selection of the sky. Alternatively, you can use the Magic Wand tool for a quick selection if the sky is fairly uniform in color. For more complex images, consider using the Select and Mask feature, which offers more control over edge refinement. Once you've isolated the sky, you can either delete it directly or create a layer mask. Masking is often preferred as it maintains flexibility, allowing you to tweak the selection later if needed. Now, with your sky selected and either deleted or masked, it's time to add the second image, the new sky. Much like adding your original image, head to File, then Place Embedded. Find your new sky image and insert it into your project. You'll notice it appears as a new layer in your Layers panel. Simply drag and adjust this layer so it's positioned behind your main image, effectively replacing the old sky. The final critical step involves blending your sky with the foreground to achieve a natural look. This is essential as any discrepancies can make the edit obvious. You can adjust the opacity of the sky layer to ensure it blends better with the original image. Some users also like to use the gradient tool or the eraser tool with a soft brush to gently blend edges, providing a seamless transition between sky and landscape. Testing different blending modes like multiply or overlay might also yield great results depending on the atmosphere you're aiming to create. And there you have it, a beautifully replaced sky in just a few simple steps. Remember, Photoshop offers numerous tools and techniques, so feel free to explore and experiment as you become more comfortable with these basic steps. Replacing a sky can dramatically transform your images, infusing them with a new light and life. Enjoy experimenting with various skies and honing your skills further with practice. Thanks for watching and happy editing.